Oh, oh. At a beautiful scenery beach resort, and then I am speechless on you in seeing you. Just looking at me, only my favorite girl. Malapang ko na, happy ending pa. She said, I am very close to you. I cannot imagine your reactions about seeing me. Maybe even our indirect kiss in far apart on different countries na can be together until the end of time. Ikaw pa rin ba yung aking blue sky ng Koray Siripot Chakari Pumpkin Multiverse ko? Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Someone who will be sharing this feeling little by little steps together, my love. Para ka lang nasa isang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko. Oh, ikaw lang yung aking dream voyage ng Koray Syrup at Chakari Pumpkin ng multiverse natin. Iniisip ko sa sarili ko kung baka naman tayong dalawa na crush ko. You can tell me on my future fortune cookie. Ikaw na ba rin ba yung aking blue sky ng Koray Syrup at Chakari Pumpkin Multiverse ko? Oh, I'm looking to the shiny cold night. I dream about whatever I meet you sometime in the future. Whatever our winds and destiny will take us. Kahit na tayong dalaw na lang sa huli sa buong mundo ng multiverse natin. Kawang Koray Syrup, Potchakari, Pumpkin, Multiverse ko. Kahit na ako na not chosen, but I understand you. Alam ko sa aking puso ay Koray Syrup, Potchakari, Pumpkin. Ang aking paborito na pangalan na nag-subunit. Kahit holiday pa man yan at anong season pa yan, ikaw pa rin yung aking blue sky, Koray Syrup at Chakari Pumpkin, multiverse ko. Ikaw pa rin ba yung aking blue sky ng Koray Syrup at Chakari Pumpkin, multiverse ko? Baka naman malay mo tayo sa huli, nasasabihin ko na I believe sa destiny. Ikaw pa rin ba yung aking blue sky ng Koray Syrup at Chakari Pumpkin multiverse ko? Oh, 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 oh.